So it was my 22nd birthday, and we were going out to a bar called McFadden's. And I think at one point, like, Will asked for my number, and I think I didn't really want to give it to him. Like, I was like, I don't know who this is for sure. I don't just want to give out my number because somebody asked for it.
She quick ran and asked everybody she knew, should I give it to him? Should I give it to him? And so she ended up giving it to me, and here we are. Today we got our two little girls, Cersei Lannister and Sadie Clegane.
And they're gonna be like in the ceremony and stuff. I'm really excited to see him. I want to show him the dress because that's the one thing that he doesn't know. And just want to see what everything looks like, see all the people, do some dancing.
I'm really looking forward to our first dance today. It's something that we've worked on, and it's simple, but it's just something where it's just me and her. Wow. You look good.
Yeah, you do too.
I told him make me look like Thor.
Like Thor.
Now what?
Welcome and thank you for joining us on this joyous occasion. Today we are gathered here to witness a truly special ceremony, the union of William and Tricia before God, family, and friends.
Dear Tricia, today I take you to be my wife. As we join our lives together, I vow to be supportive, caring, and honest with you always. I promise to hold you close, to respect you fully, and to love you deeply. As your companion, your partner, and your best friend, I promise to stay by your side through thick and thin. I love you with all my heart, and I plan to remind you of that every day from this day forward.
William, today I take you to be my husband. As we join our lives together, I vow to be supportive, caring, and honest with you always. I promise to cherish you daily, to respect you fully, and to love you deeply. As your companion, your partner, and your best friend, I promise to stay by your side through thick and thin. I love you with all of my heart, and I plan to remind you of that every day from this day forward.
By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of Michigan, I now formally pronounce William and Tricia to be husband and wife. Will, you ready? You can kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me for the first time to present Mr. and Mrs. Grove.
This is the best part of the day. For someone that doesn't know Tricia, I would describe her as caring and happy.
You know, he's outgoing, he's super smart, and he's funny.
So the two options are look at you or the camera. Got it. I think I realized Tricia was the one when I decided that we should get a dog together. It showed me that we could both care for something so much other than just each other even, and just something that we could take care of together was nice.
I feel like one thing, we just always have a lot of fun together. I think that's always been something that I've loved.
I'm just looking forward to continuing our lives together, experiencing the joys of life with each other. your hands again for Mr. and Mrs. Roll!
These two have never wavered in their dedication or commitment to one another since that very first day. And it's been really neat to watch my best friend fall in love. I'm so proud of the people these two have grown into, and I can't wait to see what comes next.
May your marriage be full of love, joy, commitment, understanding, patience, and above all, may it sustain you. To Tricia and Will, cheers to the ventures to come.
This is eco-fetty, by the way.
Oh, good.
We're not littering. Sort of. So it's going to be like kind of towards me.
Oh, how come I'm losing so much confetti?
Because I have bigger hands and less than you.
How do you want to look
And
at
continue to look at each other.
Or me.